This video demonstrates stock adjustment under invoice. Stock adjustment is used to adjust the difference between stock on computer and stock on shelf. The stock of a product may be adjusted due to a number of reasons such as theft, donations, write-offs, damages and other normal or abnormal adjustments. To adjust stock, click on Add New Invoice. Select the warehouse the stock will be adjusted to. The reason for stock adjustment. By selecting a product from drop-down, its computer stock will be automatically displayed. Enter your shelf quantity in the new quantity box. The difference will be automatically calculated, or you can enter the difference with plus or minus sign and the shelf quantity will be automatically calculated. Click Add. Click Save to save the entry. Closing the page or navigating to another invoice without saving will discard the current invoice. You can use Previous and Next button to navigate through the invoice. Use the New button to enter a new invoice. The Print button will generate the printout for filing. To edit stock adjustment entry, click the blue Edit button on left-hand side. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.